weather has certainly cooperated. It's a perfect day for football here at Goodison Park on Merseyside. I'm Derek Ray, ready to bring you commentary, and joining me is the former Arsenal defender, Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Everton taking on Liverpool.
Hi Derek, thank you. Well, both managers will be reminding their players how important it is to start off the game really quickly. Really attack the opposition, put them on the back foot, see what comes of that. Hopefully we get a good game.
Fabinho now. Alexander-Arnold. It's with Fabinho. And he's lost custody of the ball here. That's a fairly easy save for any keeper to make. Wijnaldum. Fabinho now. Possession changing hands. A highly purposeful attack. Can he finish? Superb block. Alexander-Arnold has it. Henderson. Here's Robertson. Wijnaldum. And players waiting in the centre. Good tackle taken away. Robertson. Fabinho. Untidy in possession. Henderson has it. Wijnaldum now. Gomez now. Gomez. Wijnaldum. Well, decent effort, but not troubling the keeper too much. On the ball, Davis. Van Dijk. Roberto Firmino. Fabinho. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Gordon. Holgate. On the ball, Davis. And Gomez. The attack continues. They're making... And by a wafer thin margin, offside. Henderson. Alexander-Arnold. Wijnaldum now. On the ball, Davis. Oh, he's knocking on the door. And there is the goal! He's found the net. Joy unconfined.
Well, look at it again. I do question the defenders, but let's give credit to him. What a wonderful solo effort. And he still has the presence of mind to finish it off. What a brilliant solo goal.
Back in business then, and Everton with the advantage. Gordon. Keane. There will be 1 minute added on at the end. Great challenge, he got nothing but ball. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Wijnaldum. Calvert-Lewin. Oh, marvellous save. Great goalkeeping. Surely. And a goal here. There it is. They've done it.
Well, here is the replay. It's a well-taken goal. You had a sense that it was coming. The pressure's been mounting. But when you mount pressure on a team, you need to be patient as well. And they were, and they've got their reward.
Well, a second goal for them here. Wijnaldum now. Henderson. It's there for him. Richarlison. Keeper didn't quite do enough. Not a very complicated catch for the keeper. Van Dijk. He's in with a chance. And still a chance. Wijnaldum. Losing possession. On the ball, Richarlison. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. Alexander-Arnold has it. Robertson. Here's Robertson. Henderson. And the referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. And that will mean a caution.
Well, definitely a yellow card, Derek.
Both substitutes have been getting ready. Will come on at the same time. Fabinho now. Here is Andre Gomes. Naby Keita. No luck keeping possession. Sadio Mane now. Here's Milner. Andrew Robertson. Roberto Firmino. Keeper's contribution, but what next? It's with Fabinho. Andrew Robertson. Milner. Salah. Andre Gomes. Tom Davis. Wonderful piece of tackling, Virgil van Dijk. Gordon. We are going to have 2 additional minutes. And the conclusion, he's missed the opportunity. Well, there goes the final whistle, and an Everton victory it is. Lee, what did you think of it?